everybody, welcome back to PlumFiggy. This is Tammy. Hope you all doing very well. Okay, so today I'm going to do a little quick project share for you. This is a little project that I've kind of been working on the last week or two. Kind of finishing out the fall journal, maybe. I'm addicted to the fall journals, I think, this year. This is that leaf journal that we've been kind of working on together. As you can see, if you've watched my last video, this is a different cover, and there's no spine for this one. So previously it had a cover like this, and I created a spine. I very carefully peeled away the innards and redid them inside this and didn't do a spine. So what I found was when I was opening it, they were all the pages were a little bit stressed out. Like it wasn't sitting flat like this. So what I've found is the covers tend to need to be next to each other. So I went ahead and recreated the cover as well as I could. Actually, I think maybe I like this one better. I'm not sure. I like them both, but pretty much kept the same elements. This is a little bit of a different ticking fabric. This is just navy blue and cream, and then kept the same sari silk. We have a different sticker here. This is a leaf washi sticker. Kept the bird, kept the stitching, so pretty much the same. And then obviously this cover fabric is the same muslin, so let me make it easier for you to see. So as you can see, the spine is open on this one. Not gonna be as secure, and this will be subject to wear and tear, so just know that going into it. I've made it as secure as I possibly can, but just know that this isn't going to be as secure as a regular book would be that has a spine on it. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a quick look. So on the inside, front and back covers, I've kept with the craft cardstock, and I did go through and add some more fun bling throughout. There's some things like this, and yeah, so each leaf is decorated in a different way. Lots of fun little designs. There's not tons of writing room. You could write in the spines, and obviously you could write on the front and back covers easily enough. I think this would be a really fun journal. I think I said this on one of my previous videos of working on this. If you were having a fall wedding, this would be a great guest book. Each person could sign a leaf or sign within the margins. This could be a great quote book. This could be a really great, awesome thoughts book. All right, my phone is telling me to hurry up because I'm getting low on battery, so I need to hurry up. So I've kind of included little quotes here and there. Chatterbox for the squirrel. So yeah, just lots of bits and pieces throughout. I did do some sewing on each page, so just added a little bit more decorative flair. There are some buttons, lots of stickers, washi stickers. Everything's been glued down. So yeah, lots of hand-dyed papers, little fun tags that kind of hang out. Here's some coffee dyed, what is this? Coffee dyed tracing paper, I think. Lots of just little bits and pieces of ephemera, and then some jewels. So yeah, this is a fun little book. I really like how this turned out. It's just a fun one. So it says the best is yet to come here. Very colorful. As you saw here, this is a tag. It's obviously not going anywhere. This is secured in place, but there are fun little pulls on some of the tags. If you wanted to add more, you could easily do that for yourself. But yeah, this was a fun one to make for sure. I had a lot of fun. So This is actually a real stamp, really stamped and was used. Same with this one. So just a really eclectic little journal here. So kind of interactive a little bit. This was some of the eco dye papers that I had done. So these are that I laid leaves down on the papers and then dyed them with inks, and then pulled the leaves away and was left with really fun designs on the paper. Here's a little piece of paper that's tucked into this little envelope here. So you could write a little something on there and then put it back inside and tuck it away. But yeah, so here's this journal. Back page also with the craft colored cardstock. And I will have this available in my Etsy shop for sale. If you are interested in this, I will have the link in the description box below in this video. And that's going to be it for me tonight. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you very soon. Bye!